Well, hi guys, this isn't a happy video, but it is true. I am going to say it. Even though you heard me say about the GoPro and what I said this, in fact, I said this about the GoPro. Documented them across Morocco and places like that, but I didn't have the equipment really. I was just quite amazed at the world of the GoPro really. I think it really is the place to go. I bought two cheap versions before. Nah, don't do it guys, don't waste your money. They'll be alright on a van, maybe, you know, for like security stuff, but don't do it. GoPro all the way, I think. Yep. I'm definitely going to say though, right now, do not buy a GoPro. And that's even third party. Just don't buy it. And this is why. Now in the UK, I think maybe just in the UK, I'm not sure, but if you were to go to their website directly, you're in for a whole world of trouble. Now GoPro, their website seems absolutely lovely. We all know the name, we all think it's one of the biggest cameras out there. But in fact, there's better, and there's far better companies that would look after you. GoPro's website doesn't work, it's highly inadequate. If you order something from there, they will use UPS. They will make several suggestions that they've attempted a delivery before they even get to maybe about the third delivery and possibly leave one of these cards here in your box. Now, I couldn't believe I didn't look online earlier, but when I realized my package just wasn't coming, I looked at GoPro's website, the reviews for it and the reviews for UPS, and they are shocking. I won't go into it too much, but just check it out guys. UPS are their delivery partner, and my god, so many people have never received packages. UPS will just send you round in circles, sending you crazy. I'm mad now. There's another one here. This one was the final attempt notice. This was after I'd been to the shop to do a pickup, which is said on this one. That wasn't there, never arrived. This one here, eventually they found my front door, which is well inside a secure building. There's no information on it apart from a tick saying final attempt. Didn't even leave the package by the door. I'd even left a note on the outside of the house, or the flat, sorry, where my post is delivered, and to use some temporary stairs which are just towards the side. They did it, left that, no package. It doesn't exist, that's why. I went to GoPro about this and the fact the package wasn't going and that I was being sent pillar to post by UPS, and GoPro basically went and said, in a manner of speaking, it's the problem between you and UPS, not us. Great, wonderful service. Having approached UPS, they are absolutely impossible to contact. You will get a generic email if you can get through via email on, and it would just basically send you back to where you started. Your package just won't come. I was even sent to a shop on a certain day to pick it up. Wasn't there. Nice one, UPS. GoPro generally fail to call back if you do manage to get onto their website and put some sort of complaint in. Having done this, they will still tell you that you need to contact UPS. UPS are uncontactable. Being that it's been 2 weeks now, it's obvious I am not getting the package. Many people have gone through the same thing with GoPro. Now, I'm advising you just to do your research first before you go for it. Please, if you can, there are much better cameras out there. There's been a lot of problems anyway with their cameras of late. Some of these being overheating of the camera. I've had this with this particular one now, and it's switched off, and I've barely had it on for more than 5 minutes. There's overheating. They are literally running these things out now. We've got GoPro 9, 10, 11, 12, all within a very short space of time. Probably by the time I've even edited this video, by the end of tomorrow, they'll be on GoPro 27. They're just rushing these things out. They know their company's collapsing. It's pretty obvious. Mate, do your research, seriously. The DJI, is it DJI cameras? I think so. They're heading the way at the minute. There's a lot of Sony cameras out there, and even some of the cheaper cameras are coming through as very, very high quality. So guys, I'm sorry, in one of my videos I was bigging it up, but I was naive to it all, really. GoPro is not the way. Don't do it. You might do anyway, but I recommend you don't. That's it really. It's mown over. I'm just saying, don't deal with GoPro, don't deal with UPS, because you probably won't see that package. If you really want a GoPro, okay, go third party, go to Argos, enjoy it. Try and buy an older camera if you can. Well, that's it, mown over. I'm going to be reviewing a new camera soon, but I'm going to do my research this time. Anyway, thanks very much guys for listening to my rant, and good luck with all your ventures out there. Very short video. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.